What is going on, guys? Back at it with another one, and today I got a special package in the mail. So let's see what I got. So I opened it up a little bit because I didn't know what it was. It's got blah 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 shipping information on that side. Don't need to see that. But guess what I got? I got my skinny Micromuff. And this right here, this right here is actually going to fix the wind noise that I've been having in some of my videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on my camera and we'll do some tests. Yo, I just got my Micromuff put on a camera, and quite frankly, I'm not too impressed with it because it's a little big. Well, it's a lot of big actually, and it's pretty sturdy. But when I do this, I can't see what I'm looking at. What are you laughing at?
Because I love you.
But why are you laughing?
Because you put that up, your little muffle, and then you can't see. So some people are making a lot of money and jipping you off. And how much you charge for that?
I don't know, but I think it's around a little bit over $20-something.
You are not serious.
Yeah, why?
That's look, Peter. That's a wind muffler.
What?
I just put this on.
What?
Right here.
Oh, what is it? Looks like...
It's a wind muff. It's a wind muff so that when you go out in the wind, because I've been having some issues with my video going from the wind noise, and
wow.
Now I put the muff on. I'm going to do some tests and stuff.
The wind is out there blowing.
I'm going to do it outside. I'm going to take the muff off, and they're going to hear the noise, and then I'm going to keep the muff on and see if they hear the noise.
I'm ready for the muff noise.
Are you ready for the noise?
I'm ready for the muff noise.
Ma, what do you have to say? Are you ready for the noise?
I know, I'm hungry.
Really?
Yeah.
Hungry for what?
Food.
Should have a beef.
This is what's in our fridge.
Oh, I know.
Chicken.
Not much.
Chicken and salad from Kirkland. But yeah, I'm gonna go.
Somebody was eating my sandwich.
What?
Was that you?
What?
Eating my sandwich.
I didn't try to.
Oh, you didn't try to?
Wow, you forgot to take the trash out. Anyways, guys, so you can kind of tell from the movement of the clothes on a clothesline what kind of wind level is. So with further ado, what I'm gonna do is I have the muff on right now. All right. So it's got the wind a little bit. I'm gonna do a couple blows, and you won't hear anything. Hopefully, I haven't. This is the first time testing it. So I blew directly at the microphone about 4 hand lengths away from the camera. So if you guys heard something or nothing, hopefully it works. So now I've taken off my muff. Now let's see if you guys can hear wind noise or anything. Not sure what's gonna happen. What are you doing? Seeing if you can hear wind noise or not. I'm gonna do a couple blows. And see if that did anything. I'm gonna check the footage. Obviously that's gonna tell me right away I'm putting the muff back on to make sure that it fixes your ears or whatever. So I guess there you have it. That's the test. And from now on, after I review the footage, make sure it's good, make sure it's working good. I'm gonna have to use the muff, even though I can't see much on the flip screen. It's not too big of a deal, but I guess that's it for today. We'll see you in the next one. Peace. Whoop. Actually, before I see you guys in the next one, and peace, I want to make sure that if you guys thought about buying a muff, or you have a muff, or if you have something else that works better, make sure that you get it. If you have something that works for you guys, that maybe you made, something like that, let me know. Maybe you guys got something like your teddy bears you cut open and put on as a Micromuff, or maybe you use a piece of foam. I'd like to know. Put your comments down below what you guys are using, what works for you, and if you haven't got something, should you buy this or not? After thinking about it,
Probably not.
if you have all the utilities and the know-how to make your own with just some hair and some Velcro and some adhesive, do it yourself, because this is a waste of money. So there you have it. My mom's having a little bit of chicken. And Ma, what do you want the viewers to see next time?
Don't waste your money on the wind muff. My son just paid quite a bit for that. And I think somebody made them in their basement. So you can go and do the same.
Yeah, and you won't make other people
Sad.
because I'm still gonna use it because of the money I paid for it, but
Okay, honey, that's enough.
stop always saying that's enough in my videos, Mom, because it's never enough when it's Big Bennett TV.
We're going to eat, and I don't want a camera in my face when we're eating. Really.
Pops, do you want a camera in your face when you're eating?
It don't matter to me. I'm just gonna have a sandwich.
You say no.
No, but I was saying no. Really, no. But have a sandwich. No.
Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell notification. If this video didn't work for you, dislike it and comment down below why you didn't like it. Now we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Good job.